Namaskar, salam, sat sri akal and a very good morning. Welcome you again to Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. We are in for the quest for win. This is contest number 4, History Class 9. As the teams are familiar with the rules, we shall straightway introduce the team members and then of course the buzzer round. The Alpha Angels, Shivam and Samir. Brilliant Angels, Arshika and Khushi. Epic Angels, Avdesh and Shivam. Please welcome them all. Straightway we are starting the buzzer round. Just before I put forward my question, please check your buzzer. Satisfied? Is it working? Okay. Ready teams? Hands on buzzer. Question number 1. Well, what was the importance of Declaration of the Rights of Men? What was the importance of the Declaration of the Rights of Men? The rights of men. 15 seconds. Time passing. Time and tide. Wait for none. Come on teams, hurry up. Time up. None of you took the risk of pressing the buzzer. You are being mean and wiser than it is required. Okay? Sometimes it is always good to be wiser, to be cautious. See, the answer to this question was the Declaration of Rights of Men did away all the privileges by birth. The first thing it did was it did away all the privileges by birth. It was a wonderful thing to do. And then of course the freedom of speech. Right? So you should have taken a small risk and gathered those 10 points. Well, we have got 2 more rounds to go. Ready teams? Hands on buzzer. Be ready. Do not be in unnecessary hurry. And question number 2. Name the colonies in the Caribbean islands which were important supplies of commodities such as tobacco, sugar, coffee. You have to name 3 colonies. Yes?
Europe, Africa and America.
These were not colonies. I'm sorry. The colonies were Martinique, Guadeloupe and Saint Domingo. You lose 5 marks for having pressed the buzzer when you didn't know the answer. You lose 5 marks. And question number 3, the last one. Ready teams, hands on buzzer. Be cautious before you press the buzzer. And the question is, what was the meaning of paying legality? The meaning of paying legality. Come on, think, press, gather some marks. Time up. It was equality bred. The meaning of pain, equality was equality bred. With this, we have completed the buzzer round, and after the buzzer round, the scores are round. The regulation round, I'll be starting with Alpha Angels. Question for you is, which of the following decisions was taken by the convention? A. Declared France a constitutional monarchy. B. Abolished the monarchy. C. All the men and women above 21 years got the right to vote. D. Declared France a republic.
Abolished the monarchy.
Is not correct. Passes to you. Ten seconds only. Time up. Passes to you.
Declared France become republic.
Declared France become a republic. Bonus 3 marks for your team. And question for you, brilliant angels. The word livre stands for A. Unit of currency in France. B. Tax levied by the church. C. Tax to be paid directly to the state. D. None of these. None of these is not correct. Passes to Epic Angels.
Unit of currency in France.
Unit of currency in France is absolutely correct. You get 5 bonus marks for your correct answer. And your original question now. According to the new constitution of 1791, the National Assembly was to be A. Elected directly. B. Appointed by the king. C. Elected indirectly. D. A hereditary body.
Elected indirectly.
Elected indirectly. So confident. Absolutely correct. Straight as an arrow. Very good. Epic Angels. 10 marks for you. Now, I'll be starting the second round again with you, Epic Angels. And your question is, name the French revolutionary who edited the paper Les Amis du People. A. Jean-Paul Marat. B. Voltaire. C. Abbe D. Montesquieu.
Jean-Paul Marat.
Is correct. 10 marks for you. Brilliant Angels, your turn. Marie Antoinette belongs to which country? A. England. B. India. C. Russia. D. Austria. Austria is correct. 10 marks for you. Question for you. Who wrote the book The Social Contract? A. Rousseau. B. Montesquieu. C. Louis XVI. D. John Locke.
Rousseau.
Is correct. 10 marks for you. This is the third round. I'll be starting with you, Alpha Angels. And the question for you is, which group of people did not join Jacobin clubs? A. Artisans. B. Shopkeepers. C. Daily wage workers. D. Men with property.
Artisans.
Artisans is not correct. Passes to you. Brilliant angels. Men with property after a bit of hesitation, but answer is correct. 5 bonus marks for you. And your original question is, the triangular slave trade took place between Europe, America and dash. A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Australia. D. None of the above. Africa is correct. 10 marks for your team. Question for you. Who said the task of representing the people has been given to the rich? A. Mirabeau. B. Jean-Paul Marat. C. Rousseau. D. Danton.
Jean Paul Marat.
Is correct. 10 marks for your team. And the last round, the fourth one of the regulation. And I'll be starting with you. I'll be reading 2 statements. One of them will be assertion and the second one will be reason. Listen very carefully. Then I'll be giving you 4 options. Assertion. The period from 1793 to 1794 is referred as the Reign of Terror. Reason. The members of the Jacobin Club belonged to the less prosperous society. The options are both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of assertion. Second, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of assertion. Third, A is true, but R is false. Fourth, A is false, but R is true.
Both A and R are true. R is correct explanation of A.
Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of assertion is your answer, which is not correct. It passes to brilliant angels. B, you will have to speak. क्या है वो B? अकेला B कहने से बात नहीं बनेगी. You will have to tell me what is B. Both. See, this much will not give you marks. You will have to speak further. Pass.
Both A and R is true, but
Both A and R are true,
but R is not.
but R is not the correct explanation of assertion. That is correct. 3 bonus marks for you. Brilliant angels. Your question. Listen carefully. Assertion. The members of the first 2 estates enjoyed certain privileges by birth. Reason. They were respected by the society. Number 1. Both A and R are true, and R is correct explanation of assertion. Number 2. both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of assertion. Third, A is true, but R is false. Fourth, A is false, but R is true. A is true, but R is false. Although you were hesitant, but you are right on the dot. It is correct. 10 marks. Question for you. Assertion. Upon his accession, Louis XVI found an empty throne, an empty treasure. Reason: long years of famine had drained the financial resources. 1. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of assertion. Second, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of assertion. Third, A is true, but R is false. Fourth, A is false, R is true.
Both A and R is,
Both A and R are true,
but R is explanation is false. नहीं.
but R is not the correct explanation of assertion is not correct. Passes to you.
Both A and R is true.
Both A and R are correct,
R is correct.
and R is the correct explanation of assertion. That is correct. You get 5 bonus marks for your correct answer. With this, we have concluded the regulation round, and let's have an eye on the scoreboard. Well, the rapid fire round, I'll be starting with you. Just a minute. 21 marks, 70 seconds. Ready, ma'am? Ready, team? Your time starts now. Livre is the unit of currency in France, which discontinued in 1874. Is it true or false? False is correct. Subsistence crisis is an extreme situation where the basic means of livelihood are endangered. State or googly? Is not correct. Peasants made up 90% of the population of France. About 10% of the land was owned by nobles, the church, and other richer members of the third estate. Is it correct or incorrect? Correct is not correct. However, in France, the monarch alone could decide when to call a meeting of the general estate. The last time it was called was 1674. Do you agree or disagree? Agree is not correct. So only one correct. 3 marks added. Your turn. Ready? Okay. 7 questions. 70 seconds. And your time starts now. The National Assembly voted in April 1792 to declare war against Persia and Austria. Do you agree or disagree? Disagree is not correct. The summer of 1792, the Jacobins planned an insurrection of a large number of Persians who were angered by the short supplies and high prices of food. Am I serious or joking? I'm serious, yes. Faced with the power of his revolting subjects, Louis XVI finally accorded recognition to the National Assembly and accepted the principle that his powers would from now be checked by a constitution. Correct or incorrect? Correct is correct. On the night of 10 August 1889, the Assembly passed a decree abolishing the feudal system of obligations and taxes. True or false? False is correct. 3 correct. 3 3s are 9 added to your tally. It is your turn. Epic Angels. Ready? Well, 7. You can score 21 more. Okay. Your time starts now. Voting in the State General in the past had been conducted according to the principle that each person had one vote. Do you agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Correct. The members of the third estate demanded that voting be conducted by the assembly as a whole, where each estate would have one vote. True or false?
False.
False is correct. Maximilien Robespierre was the leader of Jacobin clubs. Is it straight or googly?
Straight.
Right. The newly elected assembly was called the convention. On 21st September 1792, it abolished the monarchy and declared France a republic. Am I serious or joking?
Serious.
Right. The period from 1793 to 1794 is referred to as the Reign of Terror. Correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Correct is correct. 5 correct. Good going. Shabash, Epic Angels. 15 added to your tally. With this, we have concluded today's contest. It was fiercely fought in the healthier spirit of the contest. Although there will be a loser and a winner, but at this stage of the contest it doesn't matter much because there are 2 more rounds yet to go. I sincerely thank all the teams for entertaining all of us with your knowledge and with your active participation in the contest. Thank you for being here. Before we go, let's have an eye on the scoreboard.